Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is Cuisinart's brand new compact portable blender. It has 350 watts of power and it can crush ice. When you drop the jar into the base, it automatically powers it on. So let's try crushing some ice. Look how beautiful that got. Really snowy and perfect, and you notice it only took seconds. This blender is really versatile. I'm just going to take the blade off the bottom so I can show you. I'm going to make a shake. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 8-ounce chopping cup. I'm going to drop it in, and this happens to be whole flaxseed. This is really hard to chop. Now look how fine this got. I'm going to keep a little bit out because I'm going to actually make a protein shake right in the travel cup. You get 4 of the travel cups, to-go cups, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the flaxseed. I'm also going to put in some protein powder. And you know, the protein powder, when you make the protein shakes, they're very, very hard to blend. So I'm going to add some water and then some fruit. Just put it in there. I'm going to put the blending blade mechanism on the bottom. I'm going to attach it back to the base, and I'm going to put it on high. And this happens to be vanilla, but I added the fruit because I think it really adds some texture, and also you get lots of added benefit from that. And then all you do is you put your lid on, and you can put a straw right inside. You take this to the gym with you in the morning, and you have your fabulous protein or smoothie right in the morning for breakfast. It's so simple, so easy, you couldn't believe it. The compact portable blender comes with your blender jar. This is 32 ounces. Also has the blending blade assembly. You get 4 16-ounce travel cups with the lids. You also get the 8-ounce chopping cup with the special chopping blade. And that also comes with a cover. So after you're done chopping your flaxseed or nuts, you can take off the chopping blade mechanism and put the cover on for storing. The other thing I want to mention too is this is accented with stainless steel, has touchpad controls, high, low, and pulse. And there you have it. This is the Cuisinart Compact Portable Blender.
Let it go.